Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.6, Problem 6. This is Section 3.6, Problem 6. It says write the number as a decimal, and we have 1/3. Now, like a lot of the other problems, if you happen to have a calculator, you can just do 1 divided by 3. For any fraction, you do the numerator divided by the denominator equals, and the calculator just tells you the answer right away. If you don't have a calculator, you have to write the fraction as a division problem. The numerator of the fraction goes under the division symbol, and the denominator goes in front, like that. And now you do the division. So 3 divides into 1. Well, 1's not big enough. 3 won't fit in. So what we'll do is write it as a 1.0 and put the 3 into 10, basically. And that decimal that we put in will go straight up into the answer. Well, 3 divides into 10 3 times. So 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. So it didn't fit in evenly. So I can just add another 0 to that. Bring that 0 down, put it next to the 1. So it's 3 into 10 again. Well, 3 goes into 10 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. And 10 minus 9, I'm going to get a remainder of 1. So it still didn't go in evenly. So I can add another 0. And then pull it straight down next to the 1. And it's 3 goes into 10 again. So it's also going to be 3. 3 times 3 is 9. The same thing keeps happening again and again. I'm going to keep getting a remainder of 1. Adding another 0, pull it down, put the 3 into 10. It's going to be 9. I'm going to get a remainder of 1. It's just never going to end. So what happens is the answer is 0.3333. The 3's go forever. So I'll put dot, 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 dot. So you can write it that way, 3333, dot, 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 dot. Or the standard symbol in math is write what repeats and put a line over it. That means the same thing, but you don't have to write as much. That 0.3 with the line over it means the 3's continue and never end. And like the other stuff, with the line over it or not, you can put a 0 in front of your answer, 0.3 with the line over it, or just 0.3 with the line over it.